I made over 6 figures selling digital products online, but if I only had this information sooner, it would have saved me so much time and frustration and made me a lot more money. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a profitable ebook in Canva in under 30 minutes without spending a dime or having any tech or design skills. I'm Marvin Brooks. Over a decade ago, I used to pull wire for a living as an electrician until I discovered how to turn simple ideas into profitable digital products, which helped me walk away from my 9 to 5. Now, by the time this video ends, you'll know exactly how to create your first ebook today and ready to sell by tomorrow. Now, ebooks are hands down one of the best digital products you can create and sell online, and here's why. Unlike physical products, ebooks are super easy to create. You build it once and sell it over and over again, which is perfect for beginners looking to earn passive to semi-passive income. Second, it offers high profit margins, which could range anywhere from 90 to 100% profits on each sale. And third, because the products are not physical, they can be delivered by a click of a button without having to deal with product inventory, packaging, or shipping headaches. In this video, I'll be using 2 free tools, Canva and ChatGPT. Now, ChatGPT to write all the copy for our ebooks, and then we'll be using Canva to design our products fast. Also, towards the end, you'll know exactly where to list your ebooks to start generating passive income ASAP. Now, if you're not a professional copywriter like myself, then what we need to do is go ahead and head over to ChatGPT and use it as our personal assistant to help write the copy for our ebook. Now, first thing you want to do is start with a topic in mind. So pause and ask yourself, what am I good at? Or what problem have I helped other people solve? Now, it could also be something you have an interest or passion for, all right? Just try not to overthink it, but whatever you choose, make sure it's a niche topic people are already searching for and have spent money in. Like, let's say, for example, fitness, personal finance, relationships, self-worth, parenting, etc. If you need help researching the most profitable niche topics so you're not creating ebooks that no one's buying like most creators, be sure to grab your first 5K digital blueprint in the description below. Now, in the meantime, for this example, let's say you want to write an ebook about self-worth. You'll simply type this prompt into ChatGPT. Help me come up with ideas for an ebook about, let's say, self-worth or whatever your topic is. And just sit back and let ChatGPT do its thing. Now, as you see, in seconds, ChatGPT generates a full 10-chapter outline, including some really good bonus ideas as well. Now, if you wanted to go deeper on a specific chapter, add your own personal story or twist, simply ask ChatGPT to make any changes you want. Now, here's where the magic happens. Once you have your outline locked in, tell ChatGPT, write me this ebook, and just sit back, give it a few seconds, and watch ChatGPT generate all the content for your ebook, chapter by chapter. Now, here's a big tip. Most people skip, okay? Instead of leaving it as is, you can ask ChatGPT something like, let's say, add a personal twist on chapter 3, or make this feel more conversational so it connects with my audience without sounding robotic. This would drastically boost the quality of your ebook and help you stand out from all the low quality, AI slop being sold online. Now, let's not worry about perfection. The main goal right now is writing quality, valuable content that solves a real problem for your ideal customer. Okay, now once you made all the tweaks you need, then you're almost at the finish line. So what we need to do next is design our ebook so it flies off the shelf with purchase orders. So you definitely don't want to miss this part. Hop on over to canva.com. Here you'll be able to quickly and easily create a professional design for your ebook without being some graphic design artist. Now, if you don't have an account, it's free to sign up. There's also a pro version, which I personally use, but for this example, the free option should do the trick. Now, to save you time so we're not building your ebook from scratch, go ahead and click templates up to the left and type in the search bar ebook templates and then select multiple pages. You'll see hundreds of pre-designed templates pop up. Now, just a heads up, templates with a crown icon are pro only. So if you're on a free plan, just choose other options. Also, towards the bottom corner, it'll tell you how many pages are included in that template. Okay, now what you want to do from here is pick a template that fits the look and feel of your topic. So for my topic examples, let's say self-worth, I'll probably go with something clean and modern. So what I'll do here is I'll click where it says customize this template. And of course, from here, you can go ahead and start customizing your ebook. You can edit pretty much everything from the background, the fonts, the colors, the images, and so on. If you're getting any value from this video so far, show your boy some love by liking and subscribing for more videos like this. All right, now next, what we want to do is go back to ChatGPT and copy our ebook title. All right, once we copy that, and we want to paste it into our cover page. All right, let's do that. Adjust the size, then start adding the copy from ChatGPT and pasting it into Canva. I mean, it's pretty much copy, paste, drag and drop from here. Just simply, just make sure you repeat the process for all your chapters and pages. Now, if you want to customize it even more to give it that visual pop, Canva has millions of free assets you can use. Simply click Elements in the left panel and then search for images that matches your topic. So for example, let's say your ideal customers are mostly female. You can type something like woman in pink, and you'll get tons of photos, graphics, even videos you can choose from. So if you were to click photos, then see all, you'll have plenty options, to work with. After designing your ebook exactly like you want it, there is one last step and your product should be ready to sell. So next, let's go up to the top, hit File, give your ebook a name. I do suggest choosing a name that relates to your product, then hit Download. Now make sure PDF standard is selected. Confirm the number of pages you want, and then click Download. You now have a digital asset you can sell over and over again that literally took you minutes to create. Now here's where a lot of beginners simply fall short. They get excited and proud after completing their ebook, but do absolutely nothing with it. Don't let that be you, unless of course you hate money. Because there are many places where you can sell your ebook to start receiving orders as quickly as possible. Now here are two of the most popular ones you can start with right now. First, there's Etsy, which is a platform that already has the traffic built in with millions of buyers actively searching for the digital products you're offering. You'll simply go to Etsy and upload your ebook, set your prices between, let's say, $27 and $47 for faster sales, add your description, and you're live. Then, of course, there's Gumroad, which is even easier. You get a direct link to your product page where you can share it on social media, email, or wherever your audience is without having to set up a storefront. As you know, digital products allow me to completely replace my full-time electrician job once I figured out how to create a profitable digital product that solved a real problem and a system to get it in front of the right people who will buy it. But if I only knew then what I know now, all of this would have been so much easier. Not to mention all the time and money I would have saved. If you'd like to skip the trial and error and earn your first $5,000, even as a complete beginner without all the overwhelm, grab this latest resource called Your First 5K Digital Blueprint in the description below. I'll see you in the next video.